Hello guys, good evening. So this is Jam, funnel builder and online marketer. So today what I'm going to show you is how to create a one-to-one call funnel in Kartra. So if you are looking to create a funnel for your agency or coach or consulting programs, or if you have a service business that depends on one-to-one call to close your sales, means this is a perfect funnels. So a lot of people are asking in my YouTube channels and in message, so that's why I try to do this video. So if my English is not that much good, please apologize me, and I try to do best what I can. So this is a one-to-one call funnel. This is the simplest funnel and it has only 4 steps. The number one is Facebook, which I follows. It could be anything. The traffic source could be a paid campaigns or organic, your LinkedIn or whatever the thing. It could be anything, organic or paid. And second thing is a landing page, which I build in Kartra. And again, the third is a calendar booking, and fourth is a thank you page. So usually I do paid, and my partner is doing for the free 15-minute strategy calls by doing organic funnels. So organic, they're building community in Facebook based on organic strategy. So first steps is first create a landing page. That is a very first beginning to start the things. So once you log into the Kartra, you know well these guys. So even though I just want to clarify, so there is a page, my pages. If you go to the my pages, you will have a lot of stuff. So how many pages you have developed, it will be listed over here. And this is the simplest landing page. And I told you that your Facebook, if I'm following my funnels, give you a second guys, it's getting loading here. Yes, this is my Facebook's page, and again here I have some valuable contents which suit for my target audience. So what I do campaign on these things. Once people watch this valuable content, it's kind of 40-second to 50-second video that's just calling them to for my landing page to see the value content. So they will click that ad. After seeing, they click the land more or watch video, whatever the thing, the people will land it to this landing page, right? So you know how to build a landing page. I'm not going to show you how to build a landing page in Kartra. So most of people knows that's easy to do that. And the thing is, I want you to people to follow the brand stuff which related to your things, and follow any landing page script to there are a lot of script, landing page script. Follow any one which is simplest for you. So I'm going to give find your perfect sales funnel in 20 minutes. So I have small logo about the video, and there is a hook, and again there is some message with and without, using the with statement, without statement, and even statements. And I provided 20 minutes of valuable video here. So this valuable video, what will happen, our prospect look into the videos, and end of the videos I'll tell them if you have any doubt in these videos, if you have not figured out the thing, you have any confused state, then you have to book the call with me. Then I can clarify your doubts for 15 minutes strategy call or 15 minutes breakthrough call, whatever. So this video also should follow some a strategy, like a video sales strategy. It could be anything, what value you're going to provide for 20 minutes. Even if you are giving a template, or if you aren't giving any Excel sheets to work out the thing, so it should be solved one small problem initially itself, which means within 20 minutes what problem you can solve for your audience. That should be more relevant, and that should be more accurate. So once they complete the worksheets and they may have doubts, right? So then they will click the things. So this is the simplest landing page thing, nothing that only videos and buttons and hook, that's it. And once they click the things, we have to create the second step is, give a second guys, let I open the presentation. So you have to create a new form. Before you creating the calendar, you have to create a new form. So in Kartra, you can see there is a form section here. So you have to create the form based on your things. I have created 15 minutes free calls. I will show how to edit these, and let's give a second. It takes some time. So wait for a minute. And there's a few steps, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So there is a 6 steps to set up your forms. I set up the forms already, and the first name and email and phone number I want it. That's the thing I need. If you want, you can customize the things, and I'm checking to the you can add custom field if you want to ask some questions or whatever, blah blah blah. And next, save, and go to the next step. So save and next, you come to the confirmation. So here there is a opt-in which I selected. Again, success page. The success page is nothing but once they fill the calendar, once they register for your call, they will be landed to some thank you page. So that's I will show you right now. Yes, give me a second, guys. So this is the page, I think. So late for the things. I have so internet speed, that's why the thing happening. Okay, let's jump to the back. So I'm going to change this. If you want, you can change your external link. It could be an external link, or it could be a Kartra page. It could be anything. So you have to select one thank you page. This help you for tracking the things. So if you are running the Facebook campaign for your one-to-one funnel, means you have to track the result, right? How many people spoke for the calls and how much I spent for the call. So for tracking purpose, we need the thank you page. And in Kartra, we have the calendar section. That's amazing. So we can be able to easily track the things. And once I save this, I'm going to jump to the next step. Sorry guys, yes, I have too much of browsing things, that's why. So welcome, I don't usually send the welcome email for them. So if you want, you can set up your welcome email. And automations, the automation is important things. So assigning the tag and adding them to the specific subscriber list. So this is very important. So this list will be maintained in your email list. So you can send a valuable email sequence, or you can schedule the call again. You can maybe you can retarget them using Facebook, whatever. So managing the list and automation is very important. And other automation, I'm not doing that. I don't have any email sequence. I'm not big, because in India most of people won't open the email. So we will follow this different strategy here. So again, there is a form design used in Kartra. So this form is especially matched with the calendar. So there is some structure here. So I will use the form in another Kartra asset. So I have already selected over there. And finally finish the setting. Save and next. And again save and finish it. This is simple to create. So congratulations, now you have created the custom font which is going to be work with the calendar. So let's jump to the calendar now. So this is the calendar. Again, I'm going to open the calendar here. So first you have to create a form. The second steps is need to create the create the calendar. Third step should be creating the calendar. So creating the calendar, you have to create the customer calendar. I already create the calendar, so I'm going to open that. So let's wait for a second, guys. So setting up the calendar, it's take long time. So there are a lot of things. You have to put your available time. You have to set the time zone. And for India, from India, I feel difficulty while the time conversions rates and all difference. So I'm getting time for Canada times over here. So I have adjust something. And this is steps here. If you want, you can put the customized logos. And I don't want custom banner because it take long time to load. So I don't want to put any custom banner in the page of calendar. And time zone, this is very important. You have to set the time zone. And save and next, and schedule. So this will be a very important section. So here only you will gonna put the available time like this. So I'm not gonna dive deep in this, because if you try this, that is very easy, guys. And the 15-minute calls and titles and whatever the thing. And you can select your team members if you have a premium version of Kartra. And this is a time I converted to Indian time and mentioned as here. So this will be available on the final page. Again, so here the option where you can able to select your form, because you're going to create you already created new forms that going to different type of list and different type of tags. So this will be helpful. So here we can able to select the number of forms. So I recently created a 15 minutes free call form. Now I'm going back and save the thing and going to the next section. So this is very simple, guys. Everyone can do. So this is an email which you want to send your email from, this and the booking confirmation message. Once they book, the email automatically trigger, and reminder also every 1 hour or before the meeting. I think so 1 hour or half an hour we can able to set, and this thing also you can able to done. and permission. If you follow the steps, that very easy, guys. Section cancellations, I off the cancellation, the people can't able to cancel the sections. In case if you want, you can do that. Since it is a 15 minutes, I don't want them to cancel. So section approval, so then I don't want any approval sections and all, so skip these two steps. If you want, you can set up if you know about it. And customer support, I don't want customer support for 15 seconds. If it is a paid strategy call for 1 hour, for sure we need some customer support over there, because they may have a lot of doubts. And again, what's the automations? We already assigned the tags and subscription list in the form, or if you want, you can do it again here, or you don't want to do that. And finally, finish. That's the bank. So you got a unique URL here. Yes, this is your booking URL. Let's copy and let's open that. So this is how it will be open. So this is the calendar. I can make it any 15 times. I can click anything here. Give a second, guys. I want to refresh it because it's been opened for a long time. So this will be the landing page, and here the calendar is loading from the Kartra. And you can see all the available times. For 1 hour, I mentioned as 15 minutes, right? 15 minutes, our sales team or front team will need to book this call. So their objective to fill the calendar. So once they fill the calendar, we jump into the strategy sections and we talk about the funnels and we talk about the things, and whatever the sales pitch you have, you're gonna. So once I confirm these, and it automatically pop-up form will open. This particular form capture the leads and submit to the thing. Let's check. So, and phone number, I want phone number, in case I want to call, my team will call back and they get in the confirm the calendars or whatever. If you want, you can follow, because where I feel more conversion happening during the phones, the people's not checking email in India. That's the problem. So I put in the random number and let's jump submit. So boom. So once you submitted, for sure you will get a notification immediately in the mobile. You can see here, I can show the Kartra calendar was booked. You receive the email, and your prospect also receive the emails. This is a thank you page I talked about. Once they submitted, they will be landed to here. Our expert will call you soon as per your schedule, and we can I track this call using the pixels. This is the perfect things. I can calculate how much I'm spending for getting one strategic call. That's the thing, guys, and I hope this video will be helpful for you guys. And final things is a traffic source. It could be a natural, organic. It could be a paid. I'm using paid campaign since I'm a Facebook advertiser. So paid campaign. This is the simplest thing, guys. So thank you so much. We will see you in the another video. If you have any doubt regarding this, please comment it below. I will answer for sure. And if you want me to do any other videos, let me know, guys. Thank you so much. Bye.